Allform Sofa Review. Pros: modular design. Allform's star feature is its modularity. You build a sofa configuration perfectly tailored to your space and can easily add or remove sections as your needs evolve. High-quality materials. Allform sofas are built with premium materials, including a solid hardwood frame, durable performance fabrics, and comfortable high-density foam. Comfort. Most reviewers find Allform sofas comfortably supportive, providing a balance of firmness and plushness, suitable for lounging and everyday use. Stain-resistant fabrics. Their performance fabrics are designed to resist spills and stains, ideal for homes with kids and pets. 100-day trial and lifetime warranty. You can try the sofa risk-free at home for 100 days, and it comes with a lifetime warranty on the frame. Cons: limited style. Allform offers a single sofa style, modern, clean lines. This may not suit everyone's aesthetic. Assembly required. Putting the sofa together is relatively easy, but it may take some time, especially for larger configurations. Price. Allform sofas are on the pricier end, though they often offer sales and financing options. Potential shipping delays. Some customers report delayed shipping times compared to the estimates given at the time of purchase. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.